Now that the paint is dry on our wood round, we're ready to trace. And for that, I'm using this wax-free Sorrel.
Color outside the lines.
Just going to position my pattern right on the edges here. Just by folding it back, I can see that I'm right on the edge. I'm just going to insert my piece of Sorrel right here. And again, just feel to make sure that you're lined up with the edge of your wood round. Now I'm just going to take a pencil, going to trace away. Just take a quick peek and make sure that you're tracing okay, and I am. So I'm just going to continue tracing off camera, and when we're back, we'll be ready to start. Now that the outlining is done and I can see it, I'm going to be taking a Sharpie marker, and I've got a selection here of gold, silver, and this one is a bronze. I'm going to try a bronze, and I'm just going to go ahead and outline again. Now once that's done, I'm just going to probably either fill in with the Sharpie or paint. I haven't decided yet, but the Sharpie is looking pretty good. I now have my piece on a Lazy Susan so that I'm able to get at it from the best angle. So much easier to pull than to push. As you can see, I can just turn as I go. Let's just have a look at how it looks colored in. You could both paint and outline with the marker, and that way you've got your lines right here. Pick a coordinating paint. I don't believe I've got a bronze paint, so I would likely have to pick gold. As you can see, this Lazy Susan really makes quick work of it. Instead of turning the piece, you can turn the Lazy Susan and get at it from every angle. It really is helpful. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. I'm going to fill in these double lines, and we're going to be done, with the exception of some clear coat to seal this in. And there we go.
Once done with the paint pen, give it a coat of clear coat satin. And don't forget those edges. For more upcycle ideas, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell for upcoming projects.